Hello everyone, today we are going to start exercise 4.3. Here we have given to construct a quadrilateral with given 5 measurements. You know that 5 measurements are required to construct a quadrilateral. Here we have given 2 sides and 3 angles, right? So we have given 3 angles. We can find the fourth one also, right? Here we have given MO. Let us check whether we have given angle M and O also. Yes, it is given. So you can take MO as the base. Here we have OR. Length OR 4.5 centimeter. Let us check whether O and R both are given. Yes, both are given in the angles. So you can take one of them as the base. I always prefer to take the larger one as the base because it become easy to construct via the larger base. Now at first we will do the rough construction, rough sketch. I'm taking MO. This is 6 centimeter. Now make the angle of construct the angle of 60 degree on M. You know that with the any compass radius setting you can make this semicircle, and this point is 0, students. This point where this semicircle meets to this line is 0 degree. So you will start your construction of the angle from here. Same compass setting, if your compass is loose you can again reset it, and the same compass setting put at 0 and make this arc. This is first arc of 60 degree, right? If you put at 60, then again 60 plus is 120 degree, so we just need here 60 degree. So pass a line segment from here, you will get this is 60 degree, and at O we have 105, so you will construct a 105 degree here. You know that how to find that which two angles when bisect you will get the required angle. You just make the double of the angle, right? I'm taking double of this angle. This is 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. Then I will check which two angles are jointly 210. If I add 120 and 90, I will get 210, right? So 105 degree can be constructed through taking the bisection of the angle 90 and 120 degree, right? Here I'm taking a rough, right? So here this is 105 I'm taking. So then from O we have R, so OR. So MO R will be there, and then E. So OR we have given, this is 100 and this is 4.5 centimeter. So open your compass and set it at 4.5. I'm taking roughly, and this is maybe 4.5, right? And then at R we have again 105. Then again we have to draw the angle of 105 here, right? So if you draw the angle of 105, produce this, you will get E point here. So this is your required quadrilateral. Let us start the main construction. I'm taking 6 centimeter as the base. So sorry, I'm taking 6 centimeter as the base here, right? Let it name MO. We have 2 points, secure them. Now make the angle of 60 degree at O. So construct here at O. I told you with any compass setting, with your comfort, make this semicircle. Where this semicircle meets the line segment, this is 0, put at 0 with same compass setting. This is first arc is 60 degree. Now you can pass a line from here. You have 2 points. You know that from 2 points we can pass only a single line segment. So this is 60 degree at O. Now construct 105 at O. So you can use the same compass setting, or you can get the smaller or larger one, it's your choice. So I'm taking the same. So this is again 0, students. So start from here. This is first arc 60 degree. This is the second arc 120 degree, right? And you can find the 90 degree from bisecting the 60 and 120 degree. This is your 90 degree, but 90 is not our main angle, so we will use the dotted line for it. I'm using the dotted line. I just need this point, right? This point I just need. So this is I get. Now you have to find out, you have to construct the angle of 105. It will be the half of 90 and 120. So open your compass setting on this your semicircle from this point that I got here, 90, and this 120. Open your compass setting like this, and draw arc from here on the 90 from the D. You can see this is D semicircle. So from here you can make the first arc, and the second arc from the 120 from the D, right? You will get this arc, right? This point and this point. Now you can pass a line segment from here, pass a line segment from here, right? Now open your compass and set it at 4.5. So this is your 4.5. Okay, now put this on O and cut this this line segment that we have with 105 degree, right? This point is R. Again on R we need an angle of 105 degree. So just move your just move your notebook and construct the angle of 105 degree at R. So it will be constructed through here, because this is only the produced line, this is not in the construction. So you can remove this after the construction, but we need only this part, right? So your construction will start from this side, right? And you will draw this semicircle. Now here is 0. Start first arc from 0. This is 60 degree, this is 120 degree, now this is 90 degree, right? You can construct 90 degree easily, I told you. Now pass a dotted line, because this is not the main angle, so pass the dotted line. And one thing that I want to tell you here, the angles that fall in the table of 15 will construct via the compass, and rest you can construct by the protector also, right? They're like 85 degree, 95 degree. These angles not fall in the table of 15. So 75 degree can be make before 90, and 105 will be after 90. So we will use this this interval on the D. Now open your compass setting at 90 to 120 and make this arc and cut this arc. You will get this arc, and via this arc we will match R point, right? So draw a line segment. It ultimately meet at E. This intersection point of this line segment and this line segment is E, right? Now this become MORE, your required construction. This is not the part of your construction, you can remove these parts, right? Or you can leave it as it is, it doesn't matter.